Now we should try how to practice journey towards a sphere of truth. Journey should be continuous. Each and every moment we apply brake. We use like gravitational pull. In what way? For example, many times we pray, God, I cannot wait. Just manifest yourself. I want to have your presence right now. This will decrease the speed of self-realization. It is exactly like that. Go and become a student of engineering college and try to just request to principal of the college, right now I want a degree immediate. When degree is awarded, we will be dangerous person for all. That will make all bridges and houses that will collapse. Or become the student of medical science and have great desire to be the best medical doctor on this earth. But we have a wrong prayer. We stand in front of the principal of medical college, in front of the board, and try to request and cry, please allot me degree right now. Give me the post of surgeon right now. I want to become head of department of neurosurgery. Okay, because you are crying, it is allotted. Then there will be chaos. Exactly in the same way, never offer this prayer, God, manifest yourself, I want to see your presence. A right prayer is this, God, make me fit to practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely and make me realize that through this practice we will reach you. And never appear in front of me without becoming greatest devotee of meditator. When we realize that we are one with the Kriya Yoga, then you manifest. This is called the right prayer. In this there will not be chaos anywhere. Otherwise there will be psychosomatic spiritual sickness everywhere. Many persons will keep on writing book on God, book on spirituality. They will misguide each other. And then all persons will have very stressful life, will have illusion that we are missing presence of God. Our luck is not good. Line of fate is not good, then I am born with the bad luck. This is what we realize, because we have incorrect prayer. Therefore, from today onwards, we should pray like this, God, manifest yourself only when you realize I am really devotee of Kriya Yoga meditation. I never miss it. Every day, my intensity of practice, duration of practice is more and more with joy, not emotional. God never allow me to practice greed in the field of spirituality. Allow me to practice spirituality as a scientist without any greed. And every day I will try to increase intensity and duration of practice. God make me realize the moment when I will be able to practice Kriya Yoga all the time, when we are working and resting, when we are awake, when we are dreaming and sleeping. If I are able to practice all the time, then God make me realize that you are all the time with me, not before that. This is called genuine prayer. This is called prayer guided by super activity, spiritual activity. If really you pray like that, then you will find your meditation is deeper and deeper every day. Now let us practice Kriyaga meditation with the highest devotion.